Hello everyone and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you joined me yesterday, then you saw me unbox the PYD Life Tumbler Heat Press 2-in-1. This one right here. And at that time, I said that when I come back, I will be unboxing the tumblers that PYD Life sent me to test in this tumbler press. Now, I cannot wait to share that process with you, but today's unboxing is just an unboxing. I am going to unbox all of the tumblers they sent me, and then I'll wait for your comments to see which ones you are most interested in seeing me sublimate in this tumbler press. Now, a couple of the questions that I got yesterday were regarding the price of this. So someone asked, what was the price? When I checked on Amazon, this exact tumbler press, this exact one with this 30-ounce attachment is $349. I did, however, see the light blue tumbler press that's just like this one without the additional attachment. That was $299 for Prime members. So I will make sure to leave a link to my PYD Life favorites down below this video so you can check it out and make a decision for yourself. Another question I got was, which one do I prefer? Do I prefer the tumbler press over the sublimation oven, the PYD Life sublimation oven? Because I have not tried this one yet, you know, I can't really say I like one more than the other. I will say that I do trust PYD Life to come out with quality products. So because I love the oven so much, I am assuming I'm also going to love this tumbler press. Now, let's get into unboxing these tumblers and see what they sent. And then I will wait for your comments and see which one of the tumblers or which two of the tumblers you are interested in seeing me sublimate in this tumbler press. At the end of the video, if you find this information helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I will move this over to my right and start to see what they sent. I'm very excited about this because the last time they sent me so much good stuff. Okay, so this is a frosted water bottle. Comes with a hook right here. Let's see. Okay, I don't see anything else in here. Looks like you can push the button to open this, and there is a straw on the inside. That is really nice. Oh, wait, there's something inside. Oh, okay. It comes also with this strap. So I guess you will put the strap on the, so it's like a sports bottle. So I'm assuming you would do it like this, or if this were mine, I would do it like this to attach the strap. Oh, now that is really nice. That is really nice. So if you have a child who plays sports and you're always worried about them losing the lid, or if you like to go for a run or for a walk and you don't want to have to carry the bottle, you can just have it on your wrist like this. I like this. This is really nice, and it's kind of classy with this gold around the little push button right here and the attached straw. Really, really nice. Very nice. And I like the fact that it comes in a box. So if you are making this as a gift, I'll leave this out. So if you are making this as a gift for someone, you can ship it to them in that box. So let's see what this one is. Okay, looks like the same thing, but in pink. That's really, really nice. Very nice. All right. Trying to pull out the boxes that are the same size. All right, so this one is different. This one, okay, it has a lid and space for a straw. That's interesting. It's also frosted, also pink. Maybe the straw came out in this box somewhere. I'll keep this one out also. I don't know why I have a habit of putting them back in the box. All right, they also sent some shrink wrap. Need some more of that. Now, I wouldn't be using the shrink wrap in the tumbler press. I will be using the shrink wrap in the sublimation oven, the PYD Life Sublimation Oven. Okay, so this is a larger tumbler. It also has a strap, and it has the bamboo lid. It's twist off. Okay, there isn't a straw with this, but it's really nice frosted glass. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay, I don't see a straw in the box. All right. Alrighty, so this looks like another one of these. This one taller. All right, same. These are the same. So they sent the gray, the pink, and the blue. And I will make sure all of these are linked below the video in case you want to check them out. Ooh, this is really nice. Oh my goodness, this is really nice. So far, everything that I've opened is made of glass. These are extremely nice. Very, very nice. I'm excited about this one. Now, if I don't think I'll be giving this as a gift. I will probably make this for myself. I really like that one. So it's the same as this one. All right. Let's see what this one. Ooh, PYD Life. You are, wow. Right? Ooh, PYD Life. It is close to Christmas time, and they knew what you would want, and they came out with some really quality products. I'm very excited about these. I'm very excited about these. Okay, so far I'm impressed. Very impressed. Okay, here's another one. This is aqua color, turquoise maybe. Look at that. Also glass. Okay. All right. Let's see what this one is. I'll put these in a line right here. All right. Oh, here's another one. Okay, so they also sent a pink one. So they have a color for everybody. Nobody can say, oh, I would get one, but if I could only get the right color. Ooh, this one is nice. I need to find another word other than nice. So this is just clear glass. Very, very classy. I like that. Okay, but can't hide what you're drinking with that one. Okay, everybody will know exactly what it is. All right, let's see what this is. All right, this one is looks like a sports bottle. It has the bottom piece, though, the base, the piece that goes on the bottom right here, you know, when you stand it up. But you wouldn't put this on until after you finish sublimating. It does have a, let's see how you, oh, okay, you flip it up like that. And has like a carrying little hook right there, and then it has a straw on the inside. Okay, so the straw attaches right here to the lid. All right, this is really nice. This is very, very nice. I'll put that right there. Okay, this one is, it doesn't say, oh, it's a 25-ounce sublimation water bottle. So this one is 25 ounces. All right. They sent a lot of stuff. All right, this is, let's see what this is. Okay, this is also, this looks like a travel mug. You flip the lid up right here. You could also, let's see, take the lid off right there. I would definitely take this to work or maybe even on a trip. And it also has the piece that goes here at the bottom after sublimating. Okay, it doesn't say what size it is, but I know that if I look on the website, it always tells the size. It tells you what size to use for sublimation. So that's one thing I admire about PYD Life. This one looks like a taller version of this. Okay. All right. So has a flip lid, a flip spout right there, and then you can open it here. All right. And it also has a straw on the inside. All right. Let's see. This one is a 30 ounce. This is a 30 ounce water bottle. So this one looks exactly like this one. It's just taller. So this is 25 ounces. This is 30 ounces. Same thing. Okay. Really, really nice. All right. This is a smaller version of both of those. So here's the bottom piece for this one. This is 17 ounces. So they are making sure to include everyone. So they sent 17, 25, and then 30 ounces. So one for everyone. All right. So cute. All right. Let's see what else they sent. Make sure to let me know down below if there is one you are interested in seeing me sublimate, because I would love to hear from you about that. This one looks exactly like this one. I'm not sure about the size, but they are the exact same. It opens here, and it also, let's see, looks like it opens here on both sides, so you can choose which side you want to drink from. It has a straw on the inside. It doesn't tell me what size it is, but this piece that goes on the bottom is here inside the box. Let's see what is in this box. Whatever's in this box will not fit in this tumbler press. Oh, okay. This is a sublimatable dog bowl. Okay, it's a sublimation dog bowl. So it's quite big. I do have a dog named Milo, and his bowl is not quite this big, but I'm sure he wouldn't mind eating from this. And this part right here would go on the bottom after I finish the sublimation process to prevent the bowl from slipping or sliding on the floor. So I'm excited about that, and it looks like they sent 2 of these. Let's see, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, they sent 2 of these, and they are the exact same size. All right, so please leave your comment below. Let me know what you are interested in seeing me sublimate. Now, I know for sure that I would have to use put these dog bowls in the PYD Life sublimation oven, but other than that, I know that I could use any of these tumblers in this tumbler press. So I'm very interested and excited to see what comments you have, what suggestions you have, what you're curious about, because I definitely want to get started with that. So the next time you see me with this PYD Life tumbler heat press 2-in-1, I will be looking at your comments to see which ones you are interested in seeing me sublimate. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. Don't forget, I will have all of these items listed below the video, as well as available in my Amazon storefront regarding all of the PYD Life favorites that I have. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.